Welcome to another video from the archives. This video features a gardening life journal created from a green hanging file folder. I removed the bars from the edges to create kind of a distressed edge. And then all the elements were sewn in with a sewing machine. So I mainly did a straight stitch. And I have a mixture of mixed media paper as well as graph paper and ledger paper. I use different features like pictures from Birds and Blooms magazine and various catalogs. I use rubber stamps throughout and stickers as well, some which I reinforced with extra glue. I used hot glue at the time. This was, again, several years ago, but I would probably use just a strong glue if I had that on hand, like art glitter glue. In the back of the journal, I made a pocket using a manila envelope, and I created a separate notebook that is made with calendar pages and various kinds of paper. And it also is another place to kind of record thoughts or to-do list or whatever I felt like recording. If you're interested in a tutorial, let me know and I will gladly put one of those together. It has been some years since I made these, but they're fun to make, and there's lots of variations you can do as far as the paper and some of the decorations on the outside. So for the remainder of the video, I'll just let it play and you can kind of see some of those details. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite part of the journal was, and any tips or ideas or suggestions, feel free to also leave those in the comments as well. I will be sharing more content, hopefully regularly, especially as we go into 2024. I do hope to post consistently here on YouTube, and I appreciate you being here and taking a look, and thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.